Everybody, this is Rodney Robinson coming at you once again. I'm gonna redo this video because making sure that I get everything out of USI Tech, and the last video that I actually had was basically talking about USI Tech, and I just don't want to have any information out there in regards to making it look as though we're marketing USI Tech from the USA, excuse me. Trying to stay in the compliance reform in any case. So I'm redoing this video, and this video I've been getting a lot of quite a few people that was actually hitting that video, and I just don't want to leave them out there hanging. This is a hack on how to go through and avoid some of the fees that you're going to get from USI Tech. And the way that you do that is by having, if you have Coinbase, you also want to have a GDAX. GDAX is a part of Coinbase. So if you have a GDAX account, we're going to show you how to go through and purchase where you actually purchase. And as you can see, this is where I basically just use this to bring to go through and purchase. If I'm buying anything new, I can go through and purchase from here and actually bring it into here. And as you can see, there's transfers and different things of that nature that I've been sending over to GDAX. So basically what you're going to do is actually purchase into Coinbase, and you're going to send it over to GDAX. And when you're in GDAX, you're basically, you can do a, you can come into here, and you're going to do a deposit. You're going to say a deposit, and you'll be able to see within the deposit, you see that you can do a bank wire, bank account, a Coinbase account, which is again what we're going to be doing, and we're going to do. You can, when you're going through into to purchase, you'll be using this here, what is the BTC address. So again, when you're in Coinbase, you're going to be purchasing. They're going to charge you a fee to actually purchase whatever you're doing, Ethereum or Litecoin or Bitcoin. You'll purchase from here, and you're going to get charged. Now, what we're going to do is go from there to GDAX, and you're going to transfer that over. So you see, again, I came in from deposit, and I'm going to go deposit, go to the Coinbase account, and I can go through and actually tell it how much I want to put into it. You'll say whatever your number is that you want to put in. I've been moving money from there, or should I say currency from there. So I don't have that much in there, so I'm not going to move this. But in any regards, you just hit deposit, and it's going to move those funds from the source, which is your wallet from Coinbase. This is one of my wallets in Coinbase, and you're going to move that over into your GDAX account. Now from GDAX, what I do with GDAX, I can go through and actually purchase, whether I want to go through, and I've been mainly going into Ethereum and taking Bitcoin and playing with Ethereum. Once I get it the price that I want and it goes up, I actually move it back into Bitcoin. And you do that by coming into here, and you can do the to and fro with Ethereum. Come here, and you can actually put it into, send it back over to Bitcoin if you wanted to. And from Bitcoin, I can go in here and actually purchase Ethereum, as well as Litecoin. So you can just play that. And guys, I've been in the stock market for quite some time. So within this is a great way to go through, and most people don't know about this, but we're making really decent currency, because I haven't put anything into dollars, changed it back into dollars, but currency, we're steady building up basically my Bitcoin, with my multiplier going down because of compliance. We're using, this is one of the ways that I'm going through and actually multiply my Bitcoin. So not to make this video long, I really want to make this video short. So again, to actually go through and actually purchase, you're going to go from Coinbase, you're going to actually purchase, you're going to go through, you have that amount that you actually have in your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever the case may be. You come in here, you see you have different things that you can choose from. And if you want it to be Bitcoin, you're going to say Bitcoin. So you're going to click on that. If you want it to be Ethereum, you'll go into Ethereum. If you want it to be Litecoin, you'll go into Litecoin. And therefore, you're coming through here and you'll say with deposit, you'll go to Coinbase, the source. Coinbase, you'll say the amount that you want to put in, but we'll type that actually in 0.0015. I want to move that. I can do that. Then hit deposit. It would move that over into the GDAX account. Now, if you're purchasing, and again, this is where I had it going and purchasing packages, products that we were getting from USI Tech. But again, now, if you're trying to purchase something, if there's something that you want to purchase that was out there, you could just go in and actually say withdraw. And now you're going to say the BTC that you actually want. You would actually go to whatever that you're trying to purchase, and there will be an address that you would actually purchase from there. And in that address, it would say what the amount is. Wish I had something that I could actually show you, because I'm not really purchasing anything at this moment. But you will actually say what the address of what you're actually purchasing. So that's the destination. You will put that information into there, and whatever the cost of that, whether it's 0.09 or whatever the case it is, put the exact amount in there, 2566 or whatever it is, that the amount of what you're actually purchasing. And if that was overstock or whatever the case may be, you will put that in and put the address they want you to send the Bitcoin to. You will go through and you would say, at this point, you would say get code. This will actually send a code to your phone. You would, at that point, go through, take that code, put it into here, and then you would say withdraw. The only thing about this, it doesn't give, I haven't seen where it gives confirmation, but I've used it quite a bit and everything has gone through with no problems at all. And this is how you go through, and this does not charge you a fee. And there is no fee from sending it from Coinbase over to GDAX. And I haven't seen any fees on this. So this is a way that you can go through when those fees were astronomical. It looks like some of the fees are coming down, but if you don't want to get any type of fees, this is a great way to actually do it. This is a hack that'll get you taken care of. All right. Again, I didn't want this video to be too long, and it looks like we're already running about 8 minutes. So again, that's the way you go through and actually using GDAX, which is a part of Coinbase, and you're having Coinbase accounts. You're purchasing into Coinbase to get your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or your crypto that you can actually get from there. And there's currently only truly, I guess, 4 that you can get from there: BTC Cash, BTC, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And you'll actually come on and bring, once you have purchased it, you will go ahead and bring that into GDAX. So, and there's no fee to bring it to GDAX. And at that point, you can go through and actually purchase or trade, whatever the case you may want to do. You may even want to take that and actually move it into another exchange or something of that nature. And there's no fees for actually doing that. So you can do that as well. Whether you're using Bitstamp benefits or whatever the case may be, you can actually do that. And of course, I do wanted to kind of show you this real quick, that man, this is a great, awesome. It's almost like my Thinkorswim within my when I'm actually trading on the exchange. So it's almost like Thinkorswim, and I love candles and charts and different things of that nature. So it allows me to go through and analyze it. If you're looking to get into some of that, you can do that with this program and kind of look at where things are. Go through and look at different things. You have all the different exchanges on here. So especially if you're going through and trying to do some arbitrage or something of that nature. But that's for another video. But anyway, that will be the end of this video. We're already capturing about we're about 10 minutes. So again, this is Rodney out, and I just want to thank you and follow me. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Get with me. We're going to show you some of the other things that we're doing that we're replacing USI Tech. So again, you have a great day. Peace.